Welcome, it's Denson DIY Doll, and today
we're gonna work on our roots in our drainage. So if you have plumbing problems that's caused by tree roots, and we have massive trees in our front yard, this tip will help you, especially if you use it as a maintenance step. So the first thing we have to do is go to our clean out in the front. Now, if you don't have a clean out in the front, the directions will assist you by telling you to use the toilet on the lowest level of your house, and you can do the same steps. However, I clean out our cap for our clean out. I get a wrench, always go counterclockwise, open it up, and what we're gonna use today is a great product that's not only safe for the trees, but gets the job done of getting the roots out of the drain pipe, and it's copper sulfate crystals. So in the crystal form, they will dilute in water, but you're gonna pour it down, and if you're using a toilet, you do half-pounds increments in a flush. If you have a clean out, go ahead and use the full 2 pounds, put it in the pipe, make sure you get it all out, then recover everything. Once you recovered everything, you want some water flow to go down. Now the dog one was very interested in the hole here, and so we had to move him out. But you want to get some water in there. So whether you retain something in the bath or you flush the toilets a few times, you're gonna wanna go ahead and get that in so it mixes with water, gets in contact with the roots. Then you're gonna wanna limit the use of your plumbing for a couple days. Once it hits those roots, it will dry them out, and over time they will break down and flow through the pipe. So this is a really quick, really easy, really cost-effective way to have maintenance to keep those tree roots out of your drain lines. Do this every fall and spring, and you'll be all good.
we hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please liking and subscribing.